Okay, so good morning guys. Today is Thursday and it's my day off. And I got a message from Bricks that he already got all the parts for his computer. And he's asking me to help him build the computer. So that's what I'm going to do today. Stick around and I'll talk to you in a few seconds. So yesterday I went to I always call that Asian store Filipino store because they have a lot of Filipino stuff. So I went there and I bought this stuff. So I got fruits. I forgot the chocolate maple ones that sneakers or something. So I'm not sure. I'm sure it's not sneakers because I already have this one here and she said a different name before, so I forgot. So I just bought Kit Kat for her. I have ginamos right here. I have Lady's Choice. I have sliced bread. I have a ketchup, also Filipino ketchup, yeah. So actually most like basic goods that we kanang na-common sa tuwa sa Philippines naa po dito sa store. So mao nang using pamalit I even bought siopaw. Ako lang nag-serve gahapon while like biking all over the place like uptown. There's already like a lot of people going out, and which is a good sign though, because not only means that kanang dili na jud siya nga naka-scary here. There hasn't been any active cases here for like almost 3 weeks now here in St. John, and there's like 6 active cases started like 2 or 3 days ago, and it is on the northern part of New Brunswick, which is near Quebec, which is also having like really bad problem with the COVID-19 right now. So there is a St. John, it did dili nga naka severe ang cases, and they were able to contain it, so which is really good. And I'm just gonna prepare my stuff, prepare my food, probably do some cleaning a little bit in my room, and then just wait for Riggs to send me a message, let me know when we're going to start working on his computer, assembling his new computer. So talk to you guys again in a bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's 2 p.m. and I got a message from Rix na mag-assemble daw me sa yung computer around 4 p.m. So, I'm so sleepy now. I just got off the phone with Mipo, and the weather isn't so nice today. There's no sun. It's very cloudy and windy outside. And it's a perfect weather to sleep. So I don't know. I really want to sleep and just take this day off and rest. But I know Bricks has been like waiting for the parts of his computer for like 2 weeks now. So I'm pretty sure he's already excited to get that assembled. So I'll just probably take a nap and wait for 4 p.m. Talk to you in a bit again, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I slept for 2 hours and just got myself prepared. I'm just waiting for Bricks now to arrive. And we will be assembling his computer. I'm so excited for it. I'm going now. Tigas panahon eh. Ha?
A few moments later.
So, dollar store sa Uptown?
Yeah, maggamito na natawag pa na ako bay. Akong external hard drive.
Oh, atong gamitan.
Gamitan? Siliberos ba? Or sa?
Dili na.
Ano ito? Itapok ba?
Sige bay, sugod ta bay.
Let's get it on!
So, motherboard una, brahe.
Yes, ako sa video.
Ako ni vlog.
I-vlog? Uy. Para sa
Oh, baby!
Listen, Ninong, oh. Aray, kasakit. Aray, eh!
Kasi mo lagi anak bay.
Makon, makon. Ibigay sa presyo ba?
Dili.
Ate parts matandog ba?
Okay ra, lagi na.
Wow!
Kumana sa bata na niya?
Close ni.
So, yan is this is the,
Sige, close.
Wow.
Yeah, day patong.
Don't drop it, Daddy. Don't drop it.
Of course.
So, muna breaks. Nya, sunod ba abriha ang processor?
Daddy, you should
Ano ko na.
Okay, paspasan na parang proba.
What?
Oy. So, fan ni siya. Di na nato ni gamiton. Maura niya itong gamiton.
What's that?
Kana
Hindi
ba?
hindi gamitin. Akin na ito. Palit ang
Nagpalit man tag cooler.
Wow, Daddy,
So,
the best.
here's the processor.
Maybe add this inside
And ako na tao dali murag delikado kay nang makumit ni GG ang
Oh,
$600.
Oh, uli.
Uli, ignon nga dili ko. Di mo meet sa performance. Kani ba imong tanaon kani? Kita na nimo dat.
Asa na?
Kaning dat.
Okay.
I-match na nimo diri. Na dat diri. Oh. Kita nimo. Kita nimo.
Okay, okay.
I get
So match na siya. Nga. Nailang na nimo di na nimo iduot.
Wow,
Imong kuanan nga masod siya.
that's so cool.
Dapat fix? Hindi mo na fix.
Basta nga na ayaw gid siya pugos. Suga sa tabi.
Why you made the phone except the camera? Why are you holding two things at a time, Daddy? Why you made a camera except the phone?
Ryzen
so-
7,
Why you
baby.
made the phone except the Why you made a camera
Okay.
except the phone?
So sunod by RAM.
RAM.
Open that next.
No. This is just for the big boys, Chian.
I'm just about to watch you.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
Okay, just a simple RAM. Trident Z or G Skill RGB with 8 gigs in each. Tama ba ba? Okay, open this.
Don't try to break it.
Hindi ko excited mo open kay Kuya Juan ko, pero excited ko maduhan
Don't
ko.
break it.
Dili na apply ba? Di na na-apply ng laser.
Dahil purma ang RAM lagi ba?
Oh, okay ra.
Basta di lang dire.
So imong i-match ni tanawan ni kung i-match ni mo diri. Tunga. Kunya imong butangan ani is kani number ug kani.
Alternate.
Alternate.
So maximum of 8 times or 32 din di ba? Hindi or
Di abot siguro ng 100, pwede na 100 plus. Upat ka 64.
nadi usa nga 64 ani. Diretso na ba?
Oh, ay sabi natunong ba?
Yes.
Need 3 more.
Ikuan ba? Iduot diri. Make sure nga seated siya properly. Okay, diri pod iduot. Sige. Ay lang kadlok. Iduot pa.
Ha? Mana dot na? Yeah. Sampulay kan Kuya Juan.
Yan ya. Ano mo?
No, everything.
Kita na nadungog to nimong click.
Oo.
Nya diri pod.
Everything.
Okay.
Seated na siya.
Now everything.
Okay, try mo sa. Dapat alternate na dili sikit. If dili full, pero pwede gina siya full ba?
Pwede gini siya full. Mas paspas po ni nga RAM. Amo ning max nga makaya sa atong kuan processor. 36. Makaya man siya 4200 pero dili stable. Motong akong ilisa na ni.
Wait. Ito ba na? Tupong naman niya dyan.
Ilanta na ning isa.
Gabi. Amot ka karon lantan naman. Ngita mi ka ng tempo man. I-check na ba? Piti naman dito. Tiri.
Okay na na.
Yeah.
So sunod by daplin na to ni.
Okay.
Sticker na siya.
Gawas. Chuchuy ba?
Ang mga sulanan ni mo ba iusa lang diri para kasog na kay gusto iuli or pailisan.
Oh, that's it.
Mas nindot yung casing ni mo, bay. Mas nindot pa siya kay puti ug kuan black.
Tempered.
Oh, bildo na. Buwak na.
So kung mabuwak na siya, kung pareha sa kuhan ba?
So,
Screwdriver.
ikuan sa.
What's this?
So, now na-check ni Bricks ang bag-o nga kuan motherboard. Dako man na siya sa among original casing nga gipalit.
Ika, nag-change mo ka tag motherboard?
Oh. No?
Nag-change tag motherboard.
So, nag-change yung motherboard mo nang di mo sigo. So, kung anong to na tong daan ako, temporary.
Yes.
Para matiwas ta, tumalikan ta.
Yes, I agree na.
Nurse man siya din si Joseph. Siya rin, yung pa-check up nila si Joseph, bata. May mga picture rin, mga puti nurse, siya rin kon, Pinoy.
Siray Pinoy.
Pinoy. Okay ba na? Okay na nga ako.
Oh. So, improvise lang may kay gamay ang kuan ni Bricks case.
Kita ang sagwa na ka ito yung gi-send ako. Nga katong budget gaming, ano kuhan siya nga. Naman sige si True ka, ako magitan na.
Wa ko ka. Oo, ka lang.
Ba? Na ang sa pagka-symbol, baga ng gaming, katong budget gaming PC ba?
Oo. Nakamang di mangin naman.
Adi day, $1,000 gaming PC. Puro masikanahan. Basta 100% health lang. Saan kita din? Scroll.
Di na ba nakukultan ba kayo? Gimbal.
Gimbal?
Gim.
Gimbal?
Oo. Ayaw ikaw na. Ano? Nagtagitay lang pala.
3 days later.
Okay, so hi guys. So I wasn't able to finish the video because that was already like 12 midnight. O ganang luka na gikikustanan. Dugay kami na human because we've encountered a lot of issues because of that old PC case that we have. But we were able to make it work. Computer is working perfectly fine right now. Maghuwat lang mi sa new case ka maabot and then i-transfer lang to namo. And that should be it. That should be good to go. And thank you so much for watching. I know this video is a bit long and the instruction is not that detailed, but at least it gives you an idea kung saan set up or build your own PC, and then you can just research in YouTube for more in-depth and comprehensive tutorial about how to build PC. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.
You lifted me up. You said